Hey everyone, it's Andrea here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing the second episode of Wreck This Journal. If you have no clue what Wreck This Journal is, make sure to go check out last week's video to see episode 1 where I explain what this book is and do a couple of pages. But without further ado, let's get wrecking in episode 2. So the first page I started off with was "This book belongs to," and I just followed the instructions and wrote my name several times in different ways. I then wrote my name in big letters, and then off camera I just filled in the personal stuff, and then I moved on to the second page of this episode, which was Crack the Spine. So before I actually cracked the spine of the book, I decided to draw a crack . So for this crack drawing, I just found a picture on Google Images and copied that, and this is what it turned out to be. Alright, so the moment we've all been waiting for, me actually trying to crack the spine. So this took me quite a while to make sure the spine was really cracked. So here's just footage of me trying. After trying several times to crack the spine, it finally worked, and this is what it looked like afterward. Then I moved on to page number 3 for this episode, which was poke holes in this page using a pencil. So as you can see, I did that, and then I had an idea to make the paint come out of the holes like it's dripping down. So I did that, and this is the paint process. Then to make it stand out, I just painted the background black. On the other page, it was really boring and ugly because it was just plain, so I decided to do some splatter painting, and this is what the final product looked like. Thank you for watching episode 2 of Wreck This Journal, and don't forget to comment down below, subscribe, and like this video. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!